Hello everyone, welcome to Coders World Academy. I'm super excited to announce our brand new comprehensive the 13 days HTML course. Have you ever looked at website and wonder how do they build that? Well, in the next 13 days, I'm going to show you exactly how. From the absolutely ground up, we have broken the entire course down into 4 manageable and exciting weeks. First week, the foundation and text layout, the skeleton. The first week, we are building the skeleton of web page. We'll start with the basic, how browser and server talk to each other, and then dive into creating text. You all learn about headings, paragraph, and how the format text to look clean and professional. Second week, media list navigation, the connectivity. Second week is all about connectivity. This is where we bring the website to life. We are master adding image, creating clickable hyperlinks that takes user between page and organize information using links. Third week, table and forums. Title the third week, get interactivity. We all learn how to structure complex data with tables and most important, creating forms. You know those sign up pages, survey and checkbox. You all be building all of those. And the 4 weeks, advanced HTML5 and layout, the pro level. And finally, in the 4 week, we all level up the pro skills. We all use modern HTML5 feature, embed video, audio to understand how websites are actually laid out using semantic tags like header and footer. By the end of this journey, you won't just understand HTML, you will be able to build a functional professional portfolio website. The first lesson is started right now, so hit the subscribe button to join the academy. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day, and let's start building your future. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day, and let's start building your future.